Hey, welcome. Look at these images. Mesmerizing, right? I clicked them after all. Anyways, I love clouds. They're these beautiful cotton candy looking huge thingies that I've always wanted to touch. We know that our Earth is covered with clouds, and these clouds have been categorized on the basis of heights they are located at. Basically, we have cirrus clouds that are at high altitudes ranging from 8 to 12 kilometers. Then we have cumulus clouds that are formed at heights between 200 to 2000 meters, and they usually have a flat base. Right under this range are the low density stratus clouds. And lastly are the nimbus clouds that are in the range of 500 to 5000 meters. They are what you see before a storm or on a rainy day. These clouds float at different heights due to the difference in their respective densities, and they float at certain height levels in the atmosphere because the air density is the same at that particular level for a given cloud type. Enough with their types. Now let's see how and why clouds are formed, and most importantly, are they formed only on Earth? On Earth, clouds are generally a colloidal mixture of dust and water vapors and salts in the atmosphere. These water vapors are small enough that they don't settle down, but large enough to scatter light. One of the reasons why the sky is blue in daytime. The water vapors come from resting water bodies like ponds and majorly the seas. Rivers, on the other hand, do not significantly contribute to cloud formation since their surface water is in continuous flow, and thus not much evaporation takes place there. Another contributor to cloud formation is unpurified smoke emission from industries. These clouds later produce acid rain by the chemical reactions that begin when the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air by these industries. And that's why I say add filters to your smoke outlet and stop killing the earth. Now that you know how clouds are formed, perhaps let's take a look into the structure of a cloud and understand what would it feel like to actually touch a cloud. In fact, can you actually touch a cloud? Yes, just put your hand above a pot of boiling water and that should simulate your sensory neurons to the feeling of touching a cloud, plus the pain too. And that explains what a cloud is in terms of its structure. Earthly clouds can be pretty impressive when it comes to action. Thunder and lightning. The two sound equally cool to the effects they have on their journey to discharge what's excessive. Lightning is the result of excessive charge on a cloud getting discharged either on another cloud or the earth, whereas thunder is what we observe when lightning couples with strong wind currents. A typical lightning bolt bridges a potential difference of several 100 million volts. And that's why, my friend, you stay indoors in a lightning storm, because when lightning couples with a conductor, it might fry you as well. As impressive as clouds are, on Earth, they continue to embark on their journey to wander the deep cosmos. The atmosphere of the gas giant Jupiter is a vivid collection of cloud bands. According to a report by NASA, Jupiter has 3 distinct cloud layers in its atmosphere that extend up to a height of 71 kilometers. The top cloud in its atmosphere is made of ammonia ice, while the middle layer is likely made of ammonia hydrosulfide crystals. The innermost layer may be made of water vapor and ice. Even in the deep interstellar space, clouds continue on their journey to mesmerize us. An interstellar cloud is generally an accumulation of gas, plasma, and asteroid dust from galaxies nearby. Similar to earthly clouds, interstellar clouds can be neutral or ionized depending on their location and the content of hydrogen and plasma in them. Their chemical composition is determined by studying the electromagnetic radiation we receive from them. As beautiful and stunning clouds seem, they continue to surprise human intuition with their distinct and vivid nature. And with this, we come to an end in this journey about clouds and how amazingly simple and complete wonder they are. I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys in another episode of Luminosity. Thanks for watching. Bye.